Alright, so I found this little guy. He was in the middle of the road. Cars were just passing him. Looked like he might have got hit by a car and got stunned. He looked just like the guy that's been harassing me and my family and our cars. But it's not him. I guarantee you it's not him. He looks like him though. I picked him up. I hope I think he's just stunned. I don't think he has any broken wings or anything. We'll see. We'll see if he'll be okay. I hope he'll be okay. And I'll let him go. As soon as I make sure that he is okay. But I didn't leave him in the middle of the road so the cars can run over him or something. I stopped in the middle of the road, stopped in traffic, didn't care they were blowing horns, and he made me pick him up easily, and I put him in this box that I had in here. And he flapped a couple times, so that's a good sign, but yeah, he's been quiet for the most part. I'll let you know if he's okay and then he flies away. Or not, I guess. See if he'll fly away now. Oh, he's making noise. Okay. All right, with all that noise he wasn't making before. All right. Let me put him down. Let's see if he'll fly away. There, see. Is he okay? There he goes. All right, there we go. At least he can fly. He's not stunned anymore, that's good. And he's not gonna make me touch him anymore, so that's good. There he goes. He'll be all right. There he is. He should be safe for the most part back here with his other buddies.
Can you see it?
Yeah, he's right here. See him right over here? Yep, he just flew away more, bro. He just flew back more back there now. He's right. He was right there. It's all right. He's right over here now. You see him? He's right there. Alright, hopefully he just got the wind knocked out of him. He don't look like he got any broken bones. Hopefully he'll be alright. Leave him alone. Okay. The big hook. Where's the owl? Where's the owl? Let's see if I can see him better here. See my owl. See my owl in the tree. I got all kinds of life back here. Birds love my backyard. Big ones, small ones. There's always back here making noise. Just because of all the rabbits and the rats and all the critters that he can catch back here. Squirrels. Whatever's scurrying around the ground that keeps him here year after year. That's my owl. We have a couple of hawks too. This owl has been here a long time. Alright, let me go and see if the new member that we released yesterday is gone. Hopefully he's gone. He was over here yesterday. Hopefully he's safe and he moved away. Okay. Alright, I don't see him. If there's no more update with this little guy. Yeah, he's gone. I don't see no feathers or anything, so I don't think anything disturbed him. Hopefully he survived. He's got all this to go live in. I released him all the way over there in my front yard. He flew all the way to my back, all the way back here into these woods, and then he has all that to live. He'll be all right. I think he'll be fine. Hopefully, if I did something wrong, I'm sorry. I tried to do the best that I thought was the best. When I saw him, he did not look like he had any broken wings or anything, so it seemed better for me to just see if he could fly away on his own in a safer area than where I found him in the middle of the street, the middle of the highway, and I wish him luck, right? Yeah, he was a pretty little bird. He's looked like the same little bird that's pooping in my yard. I'm in my car. Yeah. Anyways. Got another one in my yard now somewhere. Hopefully he's out there. think this bird is trying to terrorize us. He's trying to tell me he's got a problem with me not having him poop on my car anymore. Crazy bird. If I try to get any closer, he sees me and he flies away. I've been trying to record him, so when he comes, he's very cautious now. He knows that I'm on the other side. He's gone for now. He'll be back in like 5 minutes.